We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2021 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail in Jack Black Metallic. So you can see that inside that black paint we've got a little bit of flake. This is one of my favorite paint colors because it's just not quite black, but almost. Beautiful spoked wheels. Nice tall windshield, taller handlebars, really comfortable riding position. We have the 114 cubic inch engine, rider floorboards, beautiful chrome exhaust. These saddlebags are some of my favorite bags too. They are structured, they are hard mounted, they lock, but they're leather. And I really like the new studs that Harley switched the Heritage lineup to. And last thing is this bike has ABS. Extremely low miles, super clean for a used bike. Come check it out, North County Indian Motorcycles. We're open 6 days a week for test rides.